Where is Mount Arayat?
Tell ate if you see it. Tell ate.
Take picture later.
Talk to ate. You're so pawis, oh. Why you're so pawis?
So pagod.
Where's the Mount Arayat? Where?
Right there.
Where?
There.
Right
I'm
there?
just really scared. Right there.
Where?
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Where?
I see it. Right there is the bed.
Oh, okay. I can see.
But we need to go even more forward.
Where?
We need
Init.
we need to see it when dyan tayo, when dyan.
Will it go to Mount Arayat?
Opa.
To climb Mount Arayat?
Yes.
You go to summit? The summit of Mount Arayat? You go to summit? Oh, really? Yeah.
But that really is. Really, that's the Mount really. That's really the Mount Arayat girl.
Over there. Over there, look. Mount Arayat.
I can see it. I will give you 1,000 subscribers.
You give me 1,000 subscribers?
If I see it, I will give you 1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers?
If you see it daw.
If I see it, I will give you $1,000.
$1,000. You gave me that.
But I don't have $1,000.
You don't have why you give $1,000 if you don't have $1,000? Why you say you gave him Wo $1,000?
But you Lola have subscribers.
Lola?
If Lola has subscribers.
Lola have subscribers ba?
But YouTuber soon.
Yes, because Wawa is a YouTuber, right?
YouTuber soon.
Hindi! Yun sa Minecraft.
Huh?
Yung Minecraft lang.
What a Minecraft?
Yung play ko yung Minecraft. Yung play ko yung Minecraft. Joe! Did you see that dark cloud?
Yeah.
Like,
This is a-
what's that?
This is
Dark
a
ano?
Clinton cloud.
Clinton
Yeah.
cloud.
His name, Clinton cloud.
That name is Clinton cloud.
Yeah, Clinton
Okay.
cloud.
And why is it here Clinton cloud?
What?
Why? And
What?
what's the Clinton cloud doing here?
Because the cloud is very dark. And it's raining over there. Look. See that?
Yes, that one in
Yeah.
dark cloud.
Yeah, in dark cloud. There,
Yan.
look. See? The dark cloud. It's raining. There.
Opo, and I see the hurricane.
The hurricane?
Opo.
Where? Where's the hurricane?
It was freaking sa nakita ko there is a hurricane right there.
Right there?
Opo.
Alright.
And tapos it's spinning to Mount Arayat.
Speeding to Mount Arayat.
Opo.
It's dangerous.
Opo, kasi nag-pick up ng blocks. Like a weather storm.
Like a weather storm.
Opo, like the freaking like pick up block like a weather storm.
No, I don't.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, with the command block.
Muscle po mo.
What?
Mount Arayat over there.
What?
We're just chilling at Mount Arayat.
Oh, pakita mo Mount Arayat.
Okay, I'm going to show.
Yung parang cloud, yung parang hands, yung ganyan ko.
Your hands looks like a cloud. Clouds look like a hand.
I think clouds look like a hand, kasi they're like unstoppable or something.
You're so madaldal. Primo?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Why are you so very madaldal?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh, kasi I'm just chilling.
Just chilling?
Diba?
How you chilling? Chilling like what? Let me see how you chill. Let me see. How you chilling?
Ganyan ata siya
Is that chilling now?
Yeah.
Is that chilling?